Welcome food lovers! Today we will make some super easy no-knead ciabatta bread. It's my favorite type of bread and the result is amazing, full of bubbles and crunchy crust. Place the warm water in a bowl and add only 2 grams of yeast. Stir a little bit until the yeast is fully dissolved and then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The oil will help the dough come together easily. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking powder with 380 grams all-purpose flour. Add the first batch of flour in the liquid mixture and stir until well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the rest of the flour and stir until a wet, sticky dough comes together for about 5 minutes. Cover the bowl with plastic foil and let it rest for 45 minutes at room temperature. Fold the dough like an envelope, cover with the same foil and let it rise for 30 more minutes. And this is the process that helps the dough have many bubbles. Here is when the magic happens. Wet your hands before holding it in order to work it easily. Fold the dough again and let it rest for 30 more minutes. Fold it again and let it rise for 40 minutes. This is the last rising in the bowl. Remove the foil, sprinkle some flour on top, and place the dough on a well-floured surface. Cut it in half and we will form 2 ciabatta breads. Don't worry about the shape. Imperfection is beauty, so feel free to give it your favorite shape. Cover them with a kitchen towel and let them rise at room temperature for 30 more minutes. Bake them at 220 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center of the bread comes out clean. Remove them from the oven and let them cool before slicing. Even if it takes time to make this bread, believe me, you will fall in love with its taste. Hit the like button if you enjoyed my video and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till next time, stay safe, take care, eat healthy, and enjoy every single moment of your life, including the delicious dishes, of course. With love, Adnana.